Life does not get any better than this. This, my friends, is the life. This is the real world. When I leave here tomorrow, go back to Phoenix, that's the man-made world. That's the fake world. This is the world I belong in right here. Okay, enough of that deep stuff. I am looking so forward to breakfast. I'm hungry. I'm gonna have some bacon, eggs, hash browns, and bacon, eggs, hash browns, and Spam. Oop. Okay, anyway. I can't make up my mind, guys. Come on, give me a break. All right. This is wonderful. I love it. I don't want to go home. I want to stay here. Well, this is 2 days. This will be 2 days out, so that's good. You know, normally I'm out 3 to 4 days in Colorado, longer. But of course, the puppy, I just can't leave. When I first brought the puppy home, I couldn't leave her with my wife because, you know, puppies are hard, especially when you're older. Boy, and River is a spitfire, but she's gotten so much better. I mean, she's really doing good. She's learning all kinds of tricks. And boy, when I was leaving yesterday, right when I opened that in, she stays. When I tell her to stay, she stays 10 feet behind the front door. I opened that door because I had all my stuff loaded out. So I opened the door and she darts right on out, goes right to the gate. And she's wanting to go. She wanted to go with me so bad. I felt so bad. But she's just not ready yet. And I don't want to take any chances. But pretty soon she'll be with me all the time. So guys, I'm going to leave you at that. I'm going to get breakfast going. I'll get back with you probably at breakfast unless something else happens. This right now. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. The snow begins. Let's take a little walk while I eat my lemon pie. Breakfast was good. Lemon pie is always good. Hostess. Here, let me turn this around. There we go. Just got a little bit of the snow coming down right now. It's supposed to get a lot worse as the day goes on. As the report said. Hey, I had a video chat with my wife, and River got on it. She was so happy to see me on video. She kept on touching the phone with her paw, like she was trying to touch me. I thought it was so cute and funny. I forgot my bear spray, but I don't think I'm going to see any bears. I hope not. It's just a nice little stroll. I'm really warm, even though it's freezing out. I'm warm. I've got my long johns on. I got my jeans on. I've got my long johns top and bottom. This t-shirt, this jacket, my hoodie, my cap, beanie. I'm warm. My hands are the only thing that's cold. A lot of wood up here. It's coming down pretty decent right now. It's cold. It's gorgeous. All right, so tonight's dinner is an MRE. I went to a outland. I went to a Overland Expo in Scottsdale a couple of weeks ago, and bought a few of these. So I've never had them, and I've never had except for Mountain House, which I don't like. So anyway, MRE. What's in it? It's beef goulash. That might be the beef goulash. It expires in 2045. All right, we got another round coming in. It's gonna be like this all night long, into the morning. So they say anyway. Welcome back, guys. Well, I'm sitting here having a hot cup of coffee in my topper. Everything's cleaned up, put away. I got my diesel heater going, and it's warm in here. It's nice. It's actually 76 degrees inside, 29 outside. It's gorgeous. It's nice and toasty. So I had a great 2 days of camping. Of course, I always wish it's longer, but that's okay. I'll take what I can get right now. River's doing great, as I said before. Can't wait to get her out here on these adventures. You guys are going to love her. You're going to love her. She's a sweetheart. She's a spitfire. So she'll be coming with me middle to late June. And had a good breakfast, a good lunch, a good dinner. Well, the dinner was good. You know, that MRE. That was okay. I didn't mind it. It's tasty. Edible. Got something in my eye. Okay. So if you're still watching and you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and you'll get more content as it comes out. I really appreciate it. And to all of my friends, subscribers / all my friends, thank you. Once again, I appreciate you guys. I'm very grateful of you guys, for you guys. Very grateful. So all that said, I think I'm going to call it a night, finish my coffee, maybe watch a movie. I won't film anything in the morning, so this will be it for tonight for this video. And looking forward to the next trip. See you then, all right? You guys take care now. It's coming down pretty good right now. It's only about, 8 o'clock. Gotta love it. All right, guys. Later. Let me check my heater. Diesel was filled up all the way up here. Now we're right here, and it's been set since 7 o'clock last night. How much battery did I use? I'm at 76% from, I was at 97%, so that's not bad. Not bad. Here's what the temperature was when I got up. It was 25 outside. It wasn't, it was 68 or 67, I think, inside my truck, my topper. But I've had this door open for now probably 15-20 minutes, so there you go. That's all I have on in my truck. I have to go into the front seat to get some regular pull-ons. Look at that. The only reason why the topper is clear is because I had got this heater on. Oh, which reminds me, better pick that up and put it back in there for a while. Ooh, my feet are cold. Oh, okay. I'll wear these ones for right now. I know I said I wasn't going to come back on, but I had to. Look at this. It's gorgeous. And I am pretty cold. Truck starts, we'll find out. And it starts. Okay guys, I'll check you later. I don't know if this is at the end of the video or what, but y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. You guys are awesome. Oh, look at that ice boat. Okay. Gotta run, guys. Gotta clean up a little more, pack up a little more, and head home. Goodbye, my new favorite place. Different coming out than it did going in with all the smell. But here's my road. Okay guys, wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one, man. Take care guys. See you later.